This is at the Wyndham Garden in Buffalo. I'll meet you in the lobby. I'll meet you in the lobby. Going down?
Yeah, we are. Where are you going? Sorry.
You're good.
If you're going up.
I don't know, maybe it crashes and goes to the roof.
Yeah, there is. Oh, there's a black. I thought there was a black button there.
A secret floor.
Where are you guys?
Right?
How's it going?
Good.
Well, it'll be a hot one.
Yeah. But you're going to a conference, so you'll be inside, right?
Yes, yes.
Hopefully it's air conditioned. Yeah. Oh, I'm filming the.
Oh, okay.
I'm filming
Well, am I a star already?
What are you filming?
the elevator. I'm interested in elevators.
Okay. Well, if you're a repairman, we'll be in big spot, our big demand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No problem. That's it.